TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 63. You get the Nasdaq up 29. S&Ps are off 2.5. Gold contracts down 1160. It's trading at 1132.40. As one of our targets said, wants that 1130 number. We'll see how that shakes out today. Friday, no doubt, they can take it south. Silver down 16 cents at $14.81. We have the platinum market down 12 at $9.98 an ounce. Light sweet crude's off 38 cents at $50.53 a barrel. Bonds. Now, this is where the bond market stands. You have the 10-year flat, 126.05. 30-year up 25 ticks, trading at 152.04. The bond market, folks, is screaming for higher price, lower yield, and you have to ask yourself, why is that when our own markets are at highs? Bottom line, I suspect you're going to see the markets come off these highs. What is intriguing out here today, no doubt, is that we have Google that is running the NDX 100 as well as the Nasdaq Composite. Google is up $84, and yet the NDX 100 can only be up 27, and the S&Ps down, and gold is definitely down, and the Dow Industrials are down. That's saying that underlying even the NDX 100. Well, here, let's go take a look at it. Underlying the NDX 100, as well as underlying the Nasdaq, has zero strength in it, because Google has two different symbols now. It trades, and both of them are what's putting juice into the NDX 100 as well as the Nasdaq Composite. You have the GOOGL up $85, and then the non-voting one, which is that's the non-voting one. Actually, the L is the voting one. The non-voting one is GOOG, is up 74. Taken away from the NDX 100, you have Mattel down $1. You get Discovery off 72 cents, Pace Cars off 132, and Discovery A shares are down 32. But evidently, out of those 100 stocks, there's other equities that are down a lot more than the equities that are up. King Dollar right now is up 214 ticks. If we go over and we take a look at King Dollar, this is what we have with King Dollar right now. King Dollar has been trying to get into its higher swing point, and it can't handle it. The swing point that we're talking about is going back from the 27th of May. Right now, we've done 17,000 contracts. You're coming into that swing point. We'll see whether it holds. Bottom line, we get a Friday. We'll see if that baby does hold. Now, let's go over to the S&Ps. This is what you have with the S&Ps. The SPYs right now are trading at a price point of 212.05. If we take a look at the minis, and this is option expiration, so you're going to continue to have high volatility in this market in a huge way. What the E-minis have done thus far today, we had a high out there that was generated at 21.19. Right now, we're at 21.15. And what you can expect, and at all option expirations, the fast, furious movement at 0900 to 0930 is pretty intense. What we do have right now is that it's trying to get into the lower swing points from yesterday, which is the 2110 point. We got down to the 2113. We'll see how it handles the 2110 point out here. We go back to gold for a second. We take a look at the gold market. This is what we have with gold. Gold right now has got to 1131.50. We've done 85,000 contracts. In order to basically break down and stay down, folks, you're talking about 159,000 contracts. But we're going to have a highly volatile day in all the markets, across all the markets today, I expect. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking for a great opportunity to diversify your financial portfolio, consider the Principal Protected Market Safe CD from Everbank. They've just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Power Metal CD, which combines the power of gold, silver, and copper. You get exposure to 3 valuable metals in one index CD and have the potential to earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if the metals increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should they decrease? No worries. There's zero risk to your deposited principal here, as you still get 100% of it back. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on the CD. Intrigued yet? The August 17th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is a member FDIC.